Hello, good morning, sir. So this is my invention, SunVenture Solar Fan Hat. The materials used are the high-quality fabric for ensuring comfort even in hot condition and a breathable fabric. Solar panels put into the brim of the hat for easy get the sunlight to power the cooling fan. Fan to consist energy and ensuring good performance and long-lasting use. So these are the feature. Solar powered cooling solar panels face to sunlight to power the fan, providing the continuous source of cool air without need the batteries or external power sources. Adjustable fan speed can adjust the fan speed, their personalized comfort. UV protection. This is inside the hat. Have a protection and shielding the wearer from harmful sun rays and keeping them cool and comfortable. Versatile design, suitable for outdoor activities such as hiking, gardening, sports event, or relaxing under the sun. It offers a solar-powered cooling hat for staying cool on hot days, relief from the summer heat. Rechargeable battery option for use in low light condition or indoors, the ensuring continuous operation regardless of sunlight availability. Investment opportunity. The SunVenture Solar Fan Hat presents the opportunity of the sustainable cooling solution. As the climate change, this product offers the comfort, protection, and features continues to rise. Buying this product of environmental awareness and sustainable solution. Thank you.